I just bounced really hard. Ready? Watch me stack my flipper. Like, move. It's fun. It's so fun. It's really hard. Ow, that was so tough. I bet you I can do that, Jennifer. Like, oh, that's the way. I can't get up. Oh. Oh. You might be. I'm back.
Oh. On the jumping. Very nice. Hello. Upstairs. How about mummy?
Hello.
Having fun. It's just heaps of fun, isn't it?
Yep.
Mummy, I have a snotty nose.
Then you should have brought a hanky because I don't have one.
Oh, I just started recording then. Oops.
What about your shoes?
Dun, 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 dun. What a riveting road on the way to King Solomon's Mines.
Is that the glowworm one or the...
Here we go to the glowworm caves.
Does it actually have glowworms in it?
I would hope so.
Caroline, don't. Caroline, Farrell.
Feeling sick, Mitchell?
No.
No,
I'm just tired.
this doesn't like his, doesn't like being recorded.
Caroline Farrell.
This is Angela driving the car. Isn't that exciting? As Jennifer would say, that's fun.
Oh, look, it's snowing, Mum.
Oh, look, even closer to the snow now.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
When we were on the planet, I saw her and I told Mum. When you're on the planet?
On the plane. It must be cold up there. Think I'll take off all my clothes. It's so hot, I think I'll take my clothes off.
You said it was cold.
Yeah. Everybody dance now. Let's go.
Oh shit.
Oh,
It's not
let's
working.
go.
Yeah. Come on. Let's go.
Hello.
Hello.
It's a bit close. Oh. Yeah,
This party. Dance, everybody. Thinking hot in this party. Won't stop.
move your
Body.
Why?
Back. This party.
The next tour is not till 2 o'clock.
What?
Oh
The
no.
next tour is not until 2 o'clock.
Very nice.
Why
And the
don't we...
tour for King Solomon's Caves is at 2:30.
I did.
So,
Eee.
looks like we won't be doing either of them.
Bombed out both.
Oh.
See if there's a...
What about the glowworm cave?
Nah, just missed it.
Go on, Caroline. It's all your fault.
Because I didn't know what times there were.
Very nice.
It's not advertised anywhere on any pamphlets I've got.
Nothing ever is. That's nice.
Well,
In the car.
let's go through it's going to be too warm, isn't it?
Hello.
Raining down the main highway.
Let's go through that fun track.
Lick. It's not
It's
open.
deodorant. See, it's deodorant.
No, it's not. It's your mum. Come on, what are you not even... Why are you recording mum driving? Because I can.
Don't do that, please.
Turn it off,
Give me the
Caroline.
video camera back, Caroline.
Can you gotta turn it off?
It's still recording.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh my God, Caroline!
Still recording.
No, it's not. On our way to Liffey. Forest Liffey. Watch out, birdies. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Who? Arigatou gozaimasu. Ohio. Hoshi. Very nice. We love you big time. Whammy.
Big fat cow.
Big fat bull. Yeah.
Well, their backyard's a bit messy over there. She had a creek in their backyard. Oh my God, chickens too. I'm gonna eat them. There's
Watch out for stray cattle.
cows in the bush.
Right.
Oh my God.
Watch out for what?
Stray cattle and kangaroos.
Kangaroos.
Oh, can we take the kangaroo?
And kalangadoos.
That's why I live in Why are you taking the road now?
Oh,
on the middle of the road, going around a corner.
That's probably bloody know he comes out this way.
Probably.
Coming down for a drink.
Wait, Dad.
6 whole months.
No, but if it's
Let
snow.
them
You want some
go.
snow?
Let's go get snowed on, dude.
Yeah, I want to get out. Yeah, look how heavy
Look at snowing down.
Oh my god! Cold snow. What does that mean we have to do now? Can we get out?
Yeah, there's a lookout just up here.
Cool. But doesn't that mean we could slip on the road and die? Or am I the only one that's worried about that?
Not at this speed, Mitchell.
Wait, I want to see how cold it is outside. Oh, cold.
Oh my god! Dad, please get it!
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'm just gonna step out into the snow with no shoes on, okay? Okay!
Hello. Do you want some snow?
Oh, did you just do that, Mitchell? Oh, yeah.
Yellow snow.
No.
How awesome is this?
How
Yeah.
cold is this? Not very. Oh, but... Oh, yeah.
Is it on?
Dad, look! Let's take it and eat it. Look! Try it. Eat it. No, I'm not eating it. Oh, eat some snow.
Quick, Dad, eat some snow.
No.
Eat snow.
Oh,
No.
got water on the lens.
I can't see.
Well, not much of a lookout. It's a whiteout.
Look at how wide it is. Hello.
Jennifer. You make them stop and then you take a picture of the hole from the side.
Snow as far as the eyes can see. We're going back into another snowstorm.
Oh, it's not clear skies anymore.
This is where we hired a four-wheel drive, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think we are off the mountain. I think we're still on it.
I think we are still on the mountain too.
Well, I think this is just a flat to the top of the mountain.
So still recording? Wait, who did that rude finger?
It's coming in sideways again.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's the same way it always comes because there's only snow on one side of it.
I've got that.
Oh, it's snowing again.
Now hold.
There's the sun. Sam.
What? These names are all funny. Like, her art.
Oh, if we can do this, we should go to Siberia for a holiday.
Okay.
That's incredible.